if you want to edit the slow motion video on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, what you can do is open the gallery. In the gallery, we need to open the slow motion video. There we go. And now we can press this icon that you can see in the middle, pretty much at the bottom of the screen. Once you press it, then what you can do now is adjust the range of the slow motion effect. So as you can see, those lines that are separated with a wider space, they can be adjusted. So you can grab by the start and end of the slow motion range, and then you can, for instance, apply it for the whole video. And now if you press the video, if you press the play button, the whole video will be in slow motion. And at the same time, you can make just a tiny part in slow motion. So now it looks like this. And there we go. We can even adjust it more. But as you can see, there is a difference now. Once you are done with the edit, we can press this check over here in the bottom right corner. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.